Hello, Cheongdam. My name is Megan Keeler. I'm 22 years old and I am from a small town outside of Nashville, Tennessee, in the United States. I just graduated from college with a Bachelor's of Science degree in early childhood education. I have a passion for teaching and a love for learning. When I was 14, I went to the Philippines on a mission trip. I always knew it was my calling to return one day to teach overseas. When I heard about Cheongdam, I thought, wow, this is a chance to allow my dreams to come true. If you bring me to Korea, I promise that you will not have the so-called typical teacher. I have a different kind of teaching style which involves an interactive, hands-on environment. I look forward to coming to Korea to explore a new culture, explore the world of education, and live a different type of life. So if you bring me to Korea, it's not only going to benefit your school, but it's going to benefit me by allowing my dreams to come true. Thank you for this opportunity and thank you for your time. See you soon.